The new Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door coupe is not just another electric performance car. It is AMG trying to redefine what electric performance can feel like. And this time, the numbers are almost unreal. Up to 1,169 horsepower. Up to 2,000 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.1 seconds. And 0 to 200 in only 6.4 seconds. This is not just fast. This is hypercar-level acceleration in a 4-door AMG. At the heart of it is a completely new electric drivetrain. 3 axial-flux motors. 2 at the rear. 1 at the front. Together, they create a fully variable AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus system. But the key point is not only peak power. AMG designed this car to deliver that power again and again without fading. That is where the new 800-volt high-performance battery comes in. Inspired by Formula One technology, it uses directly cooled cylindrical cells to maintain performance under extreme load. And charging is almost as dramatic as the acceleration, with up to 600 kilowatts of DC charging power. The AMG GT 4-door can recover more than 460 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. From 10 to 80%. Only 11 minutes. But AMG knows performance is not only about numbers. It is also about emotion. That is why the car introduces M-Force S Plus, a driving mode created for people who still love the feeling of a V8. It brings AMG sound, simulated gear changes, haptic feedback, and a special driver display to create a more intense, more emotional experience. Not fake performance, but a new way to translate AMG character into the electric era. The chassis is just as serious. AMG Active Ride Control comes as standard with air suspension and semi-active roll stabilization. It gives the car 2 very different personalities. Long-distance comfort when you need it. Sharp body control when you push harder. Rear axle steering adds agility at low speed and stability at high speed. Active aerodynamics also play a major role. The underbody, rear diffuser, rear spoiler, and air management system all adapt to the driving situation. The goal is simple: more downforce, better cooling, greater efficiency, and maximum stability. Visually, the new AMG GT 4-door looks lower, wider, and more aggressive. A long bonnet, a fastback silhouette, an illuminated AMG grille, star-shaped light signatures, and a muscular rear with turbine-style taillights. Inside, it combines sports car focus with grand tourer comfort. A driver-oriented cockpit, a 14-inch central display, an optional passenger screen, AMG race engineer controls, and a panoramic glass roof with switchable transparency. This car is electric, but it is not quiet in character. It is intense, technical, emotional, and unmistakably AMG. The new Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door coupe does not simply replace the past. It tries to prove that the future of AMG can be even more extreme.